are pleased to show you the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a premium hatchback that offers one of the best suite of technology features in a vehicle. The vehicle also has a high-quality interior that looks as good as it feels. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, front wheel drive. Your new ride is just a phone call away.